Today, we're walking through automated segmentation in Openprise, the kind of data work that used to take days of manual effort, now running on autopilot. Openprise has multiple pre-built recipes. This is a streamlined example of Salesforce contact title segmentation. It runs 4 tasks in sequence: title preparation, segment via rules, segment via embedded AI, and export back to Salesforce. Fully automated, no manual intervention needed. We're starting with a contact list that mirrors what most teams actually deal with: job titles in multiple languages, inconsistent formatting, and no standardized fields. Andres is an analista de datos. Min and Sophie have titles in Chinese characters. Before segmentation, this data is basically unusable for targeting. Task 2 is rules-based segmentation. It's what you're doing already, but even simpler to manage. It takes the clean title, compares it against a lookup table. Task 3 is where Openprise's embedded AI comes in. You construct a prompt that tells the model exactly how to categorize titles by job function, job level, and job qualification. It handles multilingual titles, abbreviations, ambiguous roles, things rules alone struggle to scale. After the job runs, the data flows back into Salesforce. Every contact record is now populated with a job function and job level. Here's Lars Schmidt. You can see his title Directeur Finanziario has been correctly classified under finance with a job level Director in the right fields automatically. That's the power of automated segmentation with Openprise. Smarter GTM data without the manual work. Learn more at openprisetech.com.